Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am revealing our Lavender Monogram Wedding Collection. This collection is perfect for your spring or summertime wedding. Let's get started. This collection contains all of the items that you'll need for your wedding stationery. It includes your invitation, a second invitation design in real foil. We selected rose gold, but we also have gold and silver available to you. We also have your RSVP card, your enclosure card. We have a belly band available, an envelope liner, address labels, a round sticker to seal off your envelopes or your favors. We have a wax seal. We have a program in two different design types, your table numbers. We also have a dinner menu card and favor tags available in this collection, which is being sold in my Zazzle shop. The link is below in the description. Let's edit the invitation together. We'll select the invitation from the collection menu by clicking on the invitation. This will bring up the product page. From here to begin editing, click on the blue Personalize this design located on the right-hand side of your screen to bring up the text box that can be edited. Start by erasing the pre-filled text of any of the items that you want to change and adding in your own information. You'll do this for each individual box. Once you are finished personalizing your wedding details, you can customize the design. To do so, click on the Edit Using Design Tool button. This will bring you to the designer page where you can change the fonts, the colors of the text, and the background. If you want to change the color of the text, click on the text that you want to change. Then, on the right-hand side of the page, click on the color box. Here, you can select from the pre-filled colors, use the eyedropper tool, or select a custom color picker, which will bring up every color. I selected the eyedropper tool, then moved over to the lavender flower to pick a color to match. It looks to be a little too light, so we'll have to move down the screen a little and click on the custom color picker link. Now what I'll do is I'll simply click on a darker color. To change the second name, I selected the text. Then on the right-hand side of the screen, I clicked on last used color in the recently used color section. This will make everything match. Now let's go ahead and change the background color. To do so, on the left-hand side of your screen, click on the word background. It is the one, two, three, four, fifth item down from the top. Then what we'll do is we can again use one of the pre-filled colors, but I want to use a different color. So I'm going to click on the little plus sign, which will bring up the full color palettes. And then I'm going to select a light green color. Once you're done, select the layers panel again by clicking on the word front with the little layers underneath the undo button. Then select back of the invitation. So it just says back. Then repeat by clicking background again. And then you can select from the very first item under the recently used colors to get the colors to match. Once you are finished personalizing your design, you can go ahead and select the Done button located at the top right-hand side of your screen. You may see a pop-up that says, "Would you like to save your design?" From here, you can either sign into Zazzle or select the Maybe Later button. Once you click the Maybe Later button, it'll take you back to the main page of the product. Now what you'll want to do is select the quantity that you want to add to your cart by clicking the little down arrow next to quantity and selecting what you need for your wedding, and then clicking the yellow Add to Cart button. A pop-up will come up saying that you just added the item to your cart, and from here you can click on the little X so that you can get back to the product main page where you can scroll down to view the collection of items available for this design. Here you can click on any of the items or click Show More Products to see more than just the four that are automatically shown. Select the item that you would like to edit. In this case, we'll do the RSVP card. And then begin editing just like you did with the invitation by selecting Personalize this design. I hope this tutorial helped you personalize and customize your wedding invitations. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below to reach out to me or reach out to me on Zazzle. Either way, I will respond as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching. If you could just take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel, it would mean the absolute world to me. Thanks again.